Hello everyone. Today I will give you all the exercises and question answer solutions of your chapter 1, that is operating system and graphical user interface, role and functions. In this chapter you are having what? Fill in the blanks, state true or false, multiple choice questions and question answers. So in this video lecture I will give you the full solution of your chapter number 1, and you all have to make one simple Hindi copy you can make for writing the answers, and each and everything whatever I am giving in this lecture to you all you have to do in your computer copy. So let us start our today's lesson. The first one is fill in the blanks. The things written in bold letters as well as underlined, that is your answers, and you have to do in the same manner as I have written over here. That means you have to write answers and after that you have to underline it. That will make different that this is the answer for your question. In the first one, the question is like that: dash refers to the physical parts of a computer that you can see and touch. So the answer will be hardware. Next, dash refers to the instruction or programs that tell the hardware what to do. It is software. Next, dash software is a set of programs designed to perform specific type of job application. Next, dash operating system runs on computer which are located in different geographical areas interconnected through a network, that is known as distributed. And last one, a dash is a space on the display screen in which commands are typed by the user. It is known as command line. So you have to do according to that what I have said right now. Next one is true or false. Computers work with an interaction of hardware and software. This is true. Next, application software is a collection of one or more programs that controls and manages the overall operation and performance of a computer system. It is false. In place of application software, it should be system software. Next, operating system acts as a central coordinator between the user and the software. No, it is false. Between the user is wrong. It should be between the hardware and the software. Fourth, multi-threading operating system allows more than one user to use the same computer at the same time or at different times. It is also false. In place of multi-threading, it should be multi-user. CUI requires the user to type commands in order to interact with the computer system. Yes, it is absolutely right. Next one is multiple choice question. In multiple choice question, there is one question and three solution of that, in which only one is correct. Here I will tick on the correct one. So let's start. A computer interprets the instructions given by a user with the help of an, what will be the answer? It should be operating system. A. The ability to perform more than one task together at one time is called, yes, it is multitasking. Next, has the capability to prioritize the processes minimize the execution time, and work independently with no interdependencies? The answer will be RTOS, means real time operating system. Character user interface is also known as command line. The answer will be command line. And the last one is dash requires more RAM to run. What will be the answer? It will be GUI. So this is the answer for your multiple choice question. Now next is answer the following questions. In your book there is one thing, application based question. If you all are having book, then you have to search it by your own. I taught you the full lecture, I taught you the full lesson, and you have to do it by your own. So this is your homework. The first question is define hardware and software. Solution is given in front of you all. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer that you can see and touch. Hardware consists of devices such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, and other components including the CPU box and everything inside it. Next, software. What is software? Software refers to the instructions or programs that tell the hardware what to do. It is not a physical part, but it is stored on a physical medium such as CD-ROM, pen drive, or hard disk. Software enhances the capability of the hardware and directs the computer to perform a specific type of activities. So this is the answer for your first question. Next question, what is a system software? Into how many categories can it be classified? Now, first of all, system software. It is a collection of one or more programs that controls and manages the overall operation and performance of a computer system. It acts as an interface between the user and the computer and also provides a platform for running an application software. A system software is classified in the following categories. The second part of your question. The categories are operating system, language processor, device drivers, and the last one is utility software. Next one, explain why we need an operating system. The need is what? The operating system acts like an interface. Interface means it is like a translator. The computer interprets the instructions given by the user with the help of an operating system. It is the master program which makes computer alive and helps to run different applications. Operating system acts as a central coordinator between hardware and software. So this is the answer for your third question. The next one is explain any two functions of an operating system. So the two functions are security and protection and enforcement of priority systems. In first one, the inbuilt security modules of any operating system protect the resources and the information stored on a computer system against the unauthorized access. This is your first function. Second one, enforcement of priority system. An operating system determines and maintains a specific order in which various jobs are executed in the computer system. So this is your answer number 4. Now next answer, what are the advantages of GUI over CUI? GUI means graphical user interface, whereas CUI means character user interface. Now see the differences. In GUI interface is much attractive and appealing, whereas CUI interface is relatively less appealing due to no graphical interface. With GUI, a user does not have to learn the complicated commands, whereas a user is required to memorize many commands to operate and control a CUI. Last point, in GUI, multiple tasks can run simultaneously at a time. Yes, You can open any window, you can play song, you can check out your messages. These things you can very easily in GUI at once. Whereas only one task can be executed at a particular point of time in CUI. So this is the advantages of GUI over CUI. Next one. Now these four words are there of which you have to write short notes. So write short notes on the following. First one is multi-user operating system. What is multi-user operating system? Multi-user operating system allows more than one user to use the same computer at the same time or at different times, and the examples are Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, etc. Then multi-threading operating system. These operating system allows different parts of a software program to run simultaneously. The features of multi-threading can delay the execution responses of certain processes. Named examples are Windows NT 2000, Unix, Linux, etc. What is real-time operating system? RTOS means real-time operating system is designed to handle real-life scenarios and problems. Such operating systems have the capability to prioritize the processes, minimize execution time and work independently with no interdependencies. RTOS is used when the time span required to react to an input is rigid and time bound. Even a microsecond of delay will cause the system to fail. And examples are air traffic control, robots, weapon system, etc. This is the real time operating system. Last one, distributed operating system. Distributed operating system runs on a set of computers that are located in different geographical areas. Interconnected by a network, it controls these interconnected systems and makes them appear as a single computer. It allows all the linked machine to access data and software, and the process takes over the common network from different computers, irrespective of their location on the globe. So this is the full solution of your exercises. Hope you all will loved it, and you all have to write it as I told you before in a Hindi copy, and all the things whatever I have given over here, you all have to write all, like fill in the blanks, true false, multiple choice questions, answer the following in your copy. Thank you, have a nice day, bye.